Hi everyone, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I'm going to show you some of my stamp collection. To keep this short and sweet, I'm only going to show you them by theme. I will show you how it looks like and what the result is. I have a few hundred, well actually over 1,000 stamps, and I want to show you all of them. So this will be part one. Make sure you hit that bell button to receive notification when I post the next video. What you're looking at here is just a small part of it. So this is just a tiny part of my collection. I keep them all in themed like this. So each theme is gonna be a video. Let's go. So this first video is gonna be the travel theme stamps. First up, we have these stamps. These ones I got from Joann's. They were actually on sale. So it has palm trees, travel set, camera, destinations. The purpose of this video is to show you the outcome. So this way I know what I have in this package. Flip-flops. These are actually really bad quality. They were very hard to take off. And as you can tell, not a lot of ink stick to it. You have to dab it a lot of times to get it right, but it was still not enough. But there's some good stuff in here, like the airplane and these. Yeah, so that's the first one. I have another traveling set, and these are the outcome. So there's an Eiffel Tower, Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, and the Statue of Liberty. You can make at least 3 different stamps, postcards with it, or you can combine them all together as a traveling set. But these are pretty big. I got these online and they are about 4 inches. Yep, about 4 inches and 4-inch wide. So, very good. Alright, here I have a beach set. Stars, sandcastle, flip-flops, everything you need for a beach day. And here are the outcomes. I really love these, the sets that come with a lot of little things because you can combine them with something else. Like the Wish You Were Here could go somewhere else. Life's Beach, you could put it with a cocktail glass. Here I have another set. And this is Seattle. So we got a Seattle set. It says you are amazing, celebrate the joy of life, you make my world go around, enjoy the ride. And you can use all of these in a different card or notebook. This set is also from Joann's. We got a globe, airplane, suitcase, caravan, car, boat. Pick your way of travel and show us what you got. The outcome was pretty nice on this one, I think. This one with the detail is a little bit off, but it's fine. It's stamps. It's supposed to look a little rusty. I think the boat and the car came out very nice. Alright, here now I have a pretty much ready to go postcard stamp because this is just one big piece and it says approved. So it looks a little rusty, like you see these things, like it's old, it's missing, but I think it's very cute. It has the Eiffel Tower and the bicycle. Chicago US Post Office, Postal Service. This one is very good for a background. Alright, we traveled to England. These are a bit dirty. Let me see. Yeah, nicer. Yeah. Some of the stamps, they just refuse to clean off the excess ink, so they look a little dirty. But I swear I cleaned them off. The result of this was right here. I think these came out amazing. You can see all the detailing. I think these are very nice. Yeah, there's a lot of like tiny detail and it's still there. Like, see the little crown? There's a bunch of small details that you can still see even though they are pretty small. Here we have a whole village. Well, you can make a village with it. Or like a village by the sea, you know, a little town with the houses and the birds and the brick. And then you can use one of the other to the beach signs from the other set. So there's like little boats. I think this is supposed to be a cage. We have a whole world globe stamp. We are right here in California. And this was the result. This is a very large stamp, 8 inches long and 4 inches wide. I think it comes out pretty nice. It can be used for a background on a traveling note card. En route to Paris. Got a large set of Paris themed stamps, and here we have the results. Is that francs? 10 francs. Eiffel Tower, 17 cents. A tour. I really like this little stamp. It's so tiny, but there's so much detail to it. Oh, stamp life. Who knows the struggle? If you know the struggle of stamping, leave a smiley face in a comment. But look at all these details. How amazing that looks. All those tiny details. Are we ready for a whole world tour? Egypt, Paris, Rio, Rome, London. Is that in India? Yes, India. So, this one has a lot of details, even though it's very tiny. These are 2 inches. 2 inch, about 2 inch tall. So, for that, to have this many detail is amazing. Yeah, like if you look at this, you can tell these are trees. And then these are bricks. Really cool. So, oh, that was that. I think these came out very nice. Very nice. I'm very happy with all of them. And I'm gonna go and make the second video for the vintage stamps. So if you would like to see my vintage stamps, click on the next video. I hope you enjoy this and let me know what you guys think of this.